Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to heal a sprain in Wavin's Mid. A sprain usually happens when you fall from a high place. When that happens, you'll see a red icon in the top left corner of the screen. That icon means your character is sprained, you'll move slower and your stamina recovery won't feel normal. Now there are a few simple ways to fix this. The first option is to sit on a bench. Benches are scattered all over the map, especially in towns. When you find one, just interact with it and choose to sit down. Wait for about a minute and the sprain will heal on its own. Another option is simply waiting. Sprains don't last forever, so if you keep playing and give it some time, it will eventually go away by itself. If the sprain is still bothering you, you can also visit a clinic. Open your map, turn on exploration filter and look for clinic location. One of them is in Steel Shore, where you'll find the Everso clinic. The icon can be little hard to spot cause it's hidden between other markers, but it's there. Once you reach the clinic, just interact with the NPC and ask for help and your sprain will be healed. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.